How to add camera shake effect in CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to add camera shake effect in CapCut. Here is a step-by-step guide. Launch the CapCut app. Tap on New Project. Choose the photo or video you want to edit from your gallery. Tap on Edit at the bottom. Tap on Style. Select Camera Shake from the options. The effect will be applied automatically. Preview your edited photo or video with the effect. Tap on the export icon to save and export your project. This step-by-step guide should help you quickly add and edit the camera shake effect on your photo or video in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.